Yesterday we study the various types of physical properties. Now today we see the next physical property, that is form. 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 The definition of form. It is arrangement of mineral. It is arrangement of mineral. How to mineral arrange? Two types of forms. Two types of forms. First form, crystalline. Crystalline types of form. Second form, it is amorphous types of form. What is crystalline form? Crystalline form means, the definition of crystalline form. In that mineral, various types of crystals present. At that time you write down the form of that mineral is crystalline form. Okay, all of you understand? Now second type. Second type form, amorphous form. Amorphous. What is amorphous? Amorphous means powdery structures present are called as amorphous form. Powdery structure. Powdery structures present are called as amorphous form. All of you understand? The important physical properties of mineral form. Then next physical property, fracture. Fracture. The definition of fracture, it is broken surface of the mineral. Broken surface of the mineral are called fracture. Two types of fracture. Number one, even. Number two, uneven. What is even? What is uneven? We discuss about even. Broken surface of that mineral, cut plain surface. Cut plain surface are called as even. Suppose mineral can easily cut two plain parts. You observe this figure. This is the plane surface. Like this fracture present in that minerals, at that time you write down the fracture of that mineral is even. And what is uneven? Uneven means the mineral broken surface, zigzag like structures, cut like zigzag like structure are called as uneven fracture present in that mineral. See in this figure. Like these structures present broken surface of that minerals, at that time you write down the fracture of that mineral is uneven. Okay, all of you understand this second uneven. Okay, next physical properties. Cleavage. Another physical property. What is cleavage? The simple definition of cleavage is it is arrangement of mineral. It is arrangement of mineral. How to arrange the mineral? Mineral can, or it is simple, it is splitting property of mineral. Splitting property of mineral. Mineral can easily split up into two equal parts. At that time, you write down one set of cleavage. Mineral can easily split up into two equal parts. At that time, you write down one set of cleavage. आता वन सेट ऑफ क्लिवेज आपण कसं म्हणायचं? उदाहरणार्थ तुम्हाला जनजीवनातलं उदाहरण जर दिलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपले शेंगादाणे असतात, त्याचे तुम्ही प्रेस जर केलं इझिली तर त्याचे दोन भाग होतात आणि समान दोन भाग होत असतील तर ऍट दॅट टाइम यू राईट डाऊन द क्लिवेज ऑफ दॅट मिनरल इज वन सेट ऑफ क्लिवेज. अनदर टू सेट. आता टू सेट मध्ये उभा आणि आडवा याचे जर भाग होत असतील तर ऍट दॅट टाइम यू राईट डाऊन द क्लिवेज ऑफ दॅट मिनरल इज टू सेट. अँड नेक्स्ट इज थ्री सेट. Three set of cleavage. Only one example of three set of cleavage is calcite. In calcite, cubes present. Hence, the cleavage of calcite is three set of minerals. All of you understand this physical property. It is very important physical property to identify the minerals. Then next physical property is hardness. It's depend upon Mohs scale of hardness box. Mohs, it is name of scientist. He searched the hardness of that minerals. Just you have to number of that minerals 1 to 9 number. 1 is low hardness and 9 is high hardness. That is called hardness of that minerals. Next physical properties. Specific gravity. The definition of specific gravity. Definition of specific gravity. It is ratio of weight of mineral in water. It is ratio of weight of mineral in water, and it is ratio of weight of mineral in air, and it is ratio of weight of mineral in air. If weight is high, जर त्याचं वजन, त्या मिनरलचं वजन, in that mineral, suppose in that minerals various types of metals present, at that time weight of that mineral is high. At that time you write down the specific gravity of that mineral is high. And if weight is low, mineral can't found the metals, at that time specific gravity low. हे आपल्याला ढोबळ मानाने लिहायचे आणि याच्यात आपल्याला मेगास्कोपिक स्टडी करायची आहे. जस्ट तुम्हाला तो मिनरल्स हाताळायचा, उचलायचा आणि बघायचं. हे काही प्रत्यक्ष डायरेक्ट जाऊन तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये बघायचं नाही. तर इफ weight is high, at that time you write down the specific gravity of mineral is high. If weight is low, at that time you write down the specific gravity of that mineral is low. Understand? Next physical property, chemical composition. What is chemical composition? It is simple. Various types of chemicals present in that minerals. Just you have to name of that chemicals. त्याची संज्ञा त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला नोंदवायची आहे आणि इट इज ओनली जस्ट मेगास्कोपिक स्टडी. हे काही तुम्हाला इन जिओलॉजिकल यू ऑब्झर्व इन जिओलॉजिकल मायक्रोस्कोप. फर्स्ट यू टेक द मिनरल्स, त्या मिनरलचे काही क्रिस्टल्स काढायचे आणि ते जिओलॉजिकल मायक्रोस्कोप खाली ऑब्झर्व केले जातात आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्याचं केमिकल कंपोजिशन, वेगवेगळे केमिकल्स त्याच्यामध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात, ते केमिकल शोधायचे असतात. पण तुम्हाला तेवढं नाही, जस्ट यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द नेम ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर्स. ओके. अँड देन लास्ट फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, नेम ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मिनरल. नेम ऑफ first you observe all these physical properties: color, streak, luster, form, fracture, cleavage, hardness, specific gravity, chemical composition, and then you can easily write down the name of that particular minerals. जर तुम्ही या सगळ्या फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये भौतिक गुणधर्म असं म्हणतो, आणि भौतिक गुणधर्म हे पडताळून पाहिल्यानंतर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की या फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज अभ्यासल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्या मिनरलचं नाव हे सहजासहजी कळेल. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मिनरल्स. आणि हे समजलं, इट्स ऑल्सो कम्स इन थिअरी, इट्स ऑल्सो कम्स इन प्रॅक्टिकल. प्रॅक्टिकल्समध्ये सुद्धा तुम्हाला वी ऑब्झर्व 10 मिनरल्स इन 12th सायन्स: कॅल्साइट, आर्थोक्लेज, प्लॅजिओक्लेज, बायोटाइट, मायका. इन मायका 2 सब ग्रुप्स, बायोटाइट अँड मस्कोइट. या सगळ्यांच्या फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज तुम्हाला बघायच्या आहेत वर्षभरामध्ये. आणि त्यामुळं दिस इंट्रोडक्शन टॉपिक इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट व्ह्यू ऑफ 12th बोर्ड एक्झामिनेशन पॅटर्न. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? दिस इज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मिनरल्स. नाउ वी स्टार्ट अनदर ब्रँच. Next branch, structural geology. It is very important branch. या स्ट्रक्चरल जिओलॉजी मध्ये आपल्याला 4 सब टॉपिक येतात, ते अभ्यासायचे. 4 सब टॉपिक प्रेझेंट इन स्ट्रक्चरल जिओलॉजी. फर्स्ट वी define the structural geology. Definition of what is structural geology? Various structures present. Structures present in below the earth surface. Structures present in below the earth surface study of that structure are called as structural geology. Various types of structures present in types of structure. Types of structure. First structure, fold, fault. Third, joint and unconformity. These are the four structures present: fold, fault, joints and unconformity. In 12th science, fold another topic, faults another topic, joints another topic and unconformity another topic. First we decide fold. Second topic, faults. Third, joints, unconformity. Structural geology, first topic, fold. What is fold? Wave-like structures present in the rocks or present in the surface below the earth's surface, that structures are called as fold. Wavy undulation, the simple definition of fold. Definition of fold. Wavy undulation pattern present in rocks are called as fold. This is simple definition of fold. Then elements of fold. This is simple definition of fold. AP means axial plane. Hinge line and limb present in this fold. Convex upward. These are the elements of fold. We continue next tomorrow lecture, types of fold. Okay, thank you. याच्या ज्या नोट्स आहेत त्या PDF फाईलमध्ये आपण त्याच्यामध्ये पाठवतो. यू ऑब्झर्व दॅट नोट्स. ओके. आणि आपलं लेक्चर झाल्यानंतर आपण PDF फाईलमध्ये त्या नोट देतो. ह्या रनिंग नोट्स तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व करू शकता, पाहू शकता. ओके, थँक यू. टुमॉरो वी स्टार्ट द टाइप्स ऑफ फोल्ड. थँक्स.